9.3 Designing a 90-Day Maintenance Roadmap. Chapter 9.3 Designing a 90-Day Maintenance Roadmap. Welcome to this pivotal chapter where we're going to take everything you've learned about digital dopamine detoxing and focus rewiring and translate it into a solid, actionable plan, a 90-day maintenance roadmap that will help you sustain and build on your progress long after the initial detox period. Think of this roadmap as your personal GPS for navigating the digital world without getting lost in endless scroll or impulsive clicks. It's the bridge between the intense 30-day detox and a lifetime of healthier, more intentional digital habits. Why a 90-day maintenance roadmap? You might be wondering, why 90 days? Why not 30 or 60? Well, research into habit formation and behavioral change suggests that it takes on average around 66 days to solidify a new habit and longer to truly rewire your brain's reward pathways. 90 days gives you that buffer, enough time to reinforce your new routines, troubleshoot obstacles, and adapt to real-life challenges. This roadmap is not about perfection. It's about progress, resilience, and flexibility. It's designed to help you maintain the dopamine balance you've cultivated so that focus and productivity become your new normal, not just a temporary phase. Step 1. Assess and reflect. Before you chart your course, take a moment for honest reflection. What worked well during your detox? Which tools or strategies helped you the most? Where did you struggle? For example, maybe you noticed that turning off social media notifications drastically reduced your urge to check your phone every few minutes. Or perhaps setting specific phone-free zones in your home helped you focus better on family time or work. On the other hand, maybe weekends were a challenge, or you found yourself slipping back into old habits when stressed. Practical takeaway: keep a journal for a week to track your digital habits and emotional triggers. This insight will be the foundation of your roadmap. A. Step 2. Define your core maintenance goals. Based on your reflections, set 3 to 5 clear, realistic goals for the next 90 days. These should be specific and measurable. For instance, limit daily social media use to 30 minutes. No phone usage during meals or 1 hour before bedtime. Replace evening scrolling with a book or podcast. Check email only 3 times a day. The key here is to tailor your goals to your lifestyle and priorities. The goal isn't to eliminate technology, but to put it in its proper place, a tool to serve you, not distract you. Step 3. Build a weekly routine. Habits live in routines. Map out a weekly schedule that includes specific times for focused work, digital breaks, and offline activities. Incorporate regular dopamine detox moments, brief check-ins where you consciously pause to breathe, reflect, or meditate instead of reaching for your device. For example, you might decide that every Tuesday and Thursday evening you'll have a tech-free hour where you do something creative like drawing, cooking, or journaling. Real-world example: Sarah, a freelance graphic designer, found that scheduling no-screen mornings on weekends helped her recharge creatively. She used those hours for hikes or visiting art galleries, which not only reduced her screen time but also inspired her work. Step 4. Prepare for obstacles. Life happens. There will be days when stress, boredom, or social pressure tempt you to revert to old patterns. Your roadmap should include strategies for these moments. Maybe you'll create a list of quick, enjoyable offline activities to distract yourself when cravings strike, or enlist an accountability buddy to check in with, or use apps that limit your screen time or block distracting sites during peak focus hours. Practical takeaway: write down your trigger moments and plan your responses ahead of time. This proactive approach will build your resilience. Step 5. Track progress and adjust. Use a simple tracking system, a habit tracker app, a calendar, or even sticky notes to monitor your adherence to the roadmap. Celebrate small wins and reflect weekly on what's working or needs tweaking. Remember, flexibility is part of success. If a goal feels too restrictive or unrealistic, adjust it. The roadmap is your guide, not a rigid rulebook. Show. Step 6. Reinforce positive dopamine pathways. Throughout these 90 days, focus on activities that naturally boost dopamine in healthy ways. Physical exercise, social connection, creative pursuits, and learning new skills. These positive reinforcements will help your brain build new reward circuits that support your focus and well-being. Wrapping up your roadmap to a balanced digital life. Designing your 90-day maintenance roadmap is about creating a sustainable relationship with technology. One where you're in the driver's seat, not a passive passenger. It's about respecting your brain's wiring, honoring your goals, and embracing the journey of continuous growth. By committing to this roadmap, you're setting yourself up for long-term success, not just in managing your digital habits, but in reclaiming your attention, enhancing your productivity, and enriching your life. So grab your journal, set your goals, and start charting your path forward. The next 90 days are yours to design. Remember, this isn't about deprivation, it's about empowerment. Your digital dopamine detox journey continues stronger, smarter, and more intentional than ever before.